Hi guys! Today we're going to change the font style on iPhone. A lot of people think iPhone doesn't have this option, but honestly, there are a few simple ways to customize your text. Let me show you step by step. Unlock your iPhone and go straight into the Settings app, because that's where most customization options are available. Once you open Settings, now scroll down a little until you see the Display and Brightness option, then tap on it. This section controls how your screen looks, including text appearance. Once inside, you'll see more display options. Here, you'll notice the bold text option. If you switch it on, your iPhone text becomes thicker and easier to read instantly. If you don't like the bold style later, no problem at all. Just come back here and switch bold text off again. Your text will return to the normal original style, so you can test both looks and keep whichever feels better to you. Now, if you want a completely different font style, iPhone usually doesn't allow full system font changes directly, but luckily, you can use third-party font apps from the App Store. Just open the App Store, search for a font changer app, and install one you like. So that's how you can change font style on iPhone using built-in settings and font apps. Make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below telling me which font style you liked most. See you in the next one.